Just first operation you will get 1 mass. First operation you will get 1 mass. This is the second, this is the third. Final answer A inverse is 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. This is A inverse using elementary operation. Final answer is A inverse is equal to matrix 3 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5. Students, all of you are following? Yes or no? Students? Kaushalya Venkatesh, what is your doubt? Kaushalya Venkatesh Rai, what is your doubt? Thank you. This is the final answer. Writing this matrix 1 mass. Writing A is equal to I into A 1 mass. Only for the first operation will get correct. If it is correct 1 mass. Final answer 1 mass. Next problem, A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 1. Find the inverse using elementary transformation. Next problem, A is 2, 1, 1, 1. See here, first you have to write A is equal to I into A, 1 mark. Writing this, just writing this statement 1 mark. Right hand side, don't replace this matrix. Left hand side, you replace this matrix. 2, 1, 1, 1, A is equal to I is 1, 0, 0, 1. Don't replace for right hand side A, just write E. See, left hand side I should make that matrix as I, 1, 0, 0, 1. See here, in elementary transformation, we can interchange any 2 rows or any 2 columns. I am interchanging R1 and R2 because I have to make first element to be 1. To make first element to be 1, I am interchanging R1 and R2. This is interchange R1 and R2 to make first element to be 1. Interchange R1 and R2. Rule number 1 in elementary transformation. This is write first row as second row as first row is equal to right hand side also you have to interchange. 0, 1, 1, 0. Interchanging of any 2 rows. To make first element to be 1, I am interchanging first row and second row. Already I have made first element to be 1. Next I have to make 2 to be 0 here. To make this to be 0, I have to make 1 to be 2. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. I have to make this element to be 2, calculate 2R1 in the previous step. Calculate 2R1. To make this to be 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 2R1 is 2, 2, 0, 2. Calculate 2R1. Calculate 2R1. I made first element to be 1. Next I have to make this element to be 0. This is R2, this is 2R1. R2 minus 2R1, this becomes 0. Next row operation is R2 dash is R2 minus 2R1. This is R2. This is 2R1. If you subtract this from this, it becomes 0. Please write the row operation to the left hand side. This is R2. This is 2R1. R2 minus 2R1. This minus this. 2 minus 2 is 0. R2 dash is R2 minus 2R1. 0. Next, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. R2 dash is R2 minus 2R1. This is R2, this is 2R1. R2 minus 2R1, 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1, which is equal to 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Into E. I have changed only the R2, therefore I am writing R2 like this. I have not touched R1, write R1 as it is. 1, 1, 0, 1. First you do the row operation R2, then you write R1. Writing these row operations are very, very important. If you keep on doing a problem, if you don't write this row operation, you will get 0. I made 1, I made 0. I have to make this to be 1. To make 1, either multiplication or division. To make 0, either addition or subtraction. To make 1, I have to divide R2 by how much? Minus 1. To make this to be 1, divide R2 by minus 1. R2 dash is R2 by minus 1. Divide this element by 1, minus 1 into minus 1 becomes plus. Divide this is R2. This is R1. Divide R2 by minus 1. 0 by minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 divided by minus 1 is plus 1. 0 by minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 by minus 1. This is R2. Divide by minus 1 is equal to divide R2 by minus 1 means this is minus 1. If you divide minus 2 by minus 1 plus 2. I have not touched R1 in these two terms. Write R1 as it is. I have made 1, I have made 0, I have made 1. Next I have to make this element to be 0. How do you make? This is in R1. R1 dash is R1 minus R2, then this becomes 0. This is in R1. To make this element to be 0, you have to do row operation for R1. R1 dash is R1 minus R2, this becomes 0. I will write here. To make this element to be 0, this is in R1, therefore R1 dash is R1 minus R2. See, I am writing this row operation in the first line only. R2 means you have to write here, R2. Why I am doing R1 minus R2 means to make this element to be 0, this minus this becomes 0. You have to write it in R1. Next, R1, this is R2. R1 minus R2, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 is equal to 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Next 1 minus 2 is minus 1. I have changed only R1, write R2 as it is. 0, 1, minus 1, 2. In this step, I have changed only R1, your operation R1, write R2 as it is into A. Into A. Next line you write, it is of the form. It is of the form. Left hand side is what? I is equal to right hand side, right matrix A means it must be A inverse. Because I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, tell me what is A inverse? A inverse is this matrix. This is I, A inverse A. I is equal to A inverse into A. This is nothing but A inverse is 1, minus 1, minus 1. This is the final answer, A inverse. Final answer, I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is 1 minus 1 minus 1. Next problem A is 2, 3, 5, 7. Two, 3, 5, 7. See here. First step is A is equal to I into A. Writing this line carries 1 mark. Writing A is equal to I into A is 1 mark. Left hand side replace A by that matrix. 2, 3, 5, 7. I is nothing but identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1 into matrix A. See, in the previous problem, to get 1 in the first case, I interchanged R1 and R2. Can we interchange here? No, because it is 5. In the previous problem, it is 1. To make the first element to be 1, I interchange. Here I can't interchange here to get 1. Therefore, to make 1, either division or multiplication or division. To make first element to be 1, divide R1 by 2. R1 dash is R1 by 2. Divide R1 by 2 to make first element to be 0. To make first element to be I is 1, 0, 0, 1. First you have to make 1, next you have to make 0, next you have to make 1, next you have to make 0. To make first element to be 1, divide R1 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0. I am not touched R2, write R2 as it is. 5, 7, 0, 1. To make 1, either multiplication or division. Divide R1 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. See, I have made first element to be 1. Next I have to make this to be 0 means this previous row, this element should be 5. If I make this to be 5, 5 minus 5 becomes 0 here. To make this element to be 5, calculate 5 R1. If you multiply R1 by 5, it becomes 5. In the previous step, calculate 5 R1. Calculate 5 R1. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 3 is 15 by 2. 5 into 3 is 15 by 2. This is 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. This is 0. I have made first element to be 1. Next you have to make this to be 0 means make R1 to be 5. To make R1 to be 5, multiply R1 by 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 3 by 2, 15 by 2. 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. 5 into 0 is 0. Next row operation for R2. I have to make this element to be 0 means this is in R2. Therefore R2 dash is this minus 5R1. R2 minus 5R1. To make this element to be 0, first you have to make this to be 5. To make this to be 5, multiply R1 by 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 3 by 2, 15 by 2. 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. 5 into 0 is 0. Now R2 is this one. 5R1 is this one. R2 minus 5R1. 5 minus 5 is 0. R2 minus 5R1. 5 minus 5 is 0. Next, 7 minus 15 by 2. 7 minus 15 by 2. LCM is 2. 2 into 7, 14. Minus 15. After simplification, we get 1. Minus 1 by 2. 14 minus 15 is minus 1 by 2. Therefore, this element is minus 1 by 2. This minus of this. You should be very careful while subtracting. R2, 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 15 by 2 is minus 1 by 2. Next, R2. 0 minus 5 by 2 is minus 5 by 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. I have changed only the R2. I have not touched R1. Write R1 as it is. 1. 3 by 2. 1 by 2. 0. To make 1 multiplication or division, to make 0 addition or subtraction. I have made first element to be 1. I have made second element to be 0. Next I have to make this to be 1. To make 1 either multiplication or division. How do you make this to be 1 means multiply R2 by minus 2. Multiply R2 by minus 2. Multiply R2 by minus 2, it becomes 1. Next, I will write here. To make this element to be 1. To make this element to be 1, multiply R2 by minus 2. R2 dash is minus 2R2. Multiply R2 by minus 2, it becomes 1. R2 dash is equal to minus of 2R2. That means multiply R2 by minus 2. If you multiply R2 by minus 2, 0 into minus 2 is 0. If you multiply by minus 2, already one minus is there, minus into minus becomes plus. 2 by 2 is 1. If you multiply by 2, this becomes 5. Minus 5 by 2 into minus 2, 2 get cancelled, this is plus 5. Next, multiply R2 by minus 2. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. I change only R2 here. I have not touched R1. Write R1 as it is. 1, 3 by 2. 1 by 2. 0. I have made 1. I have made 0, I have made 1. Next I have to make this to be 0. Here 3 by 2 is in R1, you have to do a row operation for R1. R1 dash is 3 by 2 is in R1. To make this element to be 0, I have to make this to be 3 by 2. this to be 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 becomes 0. R1 dash is R1 minus 3 by 2 R2. R1 dash is R1 dash is R1 minus 3 by 2 R2. That means I have to make this is R2. I have to make this to be 3 by 2. Therefore, multiplying by R2 by 3 by 2, subtract from R1. 3 by 2 R2 you calculate here. In the previous step, you have to calculate 3 by 2 R2. This is 3 by 2 into 0 is 0. This is 3 by 2. And this is 15 by 2. 3 by 2 into 5 is 15 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3. Or 3 by 2 into minus 2. 2 get cancelled, it is minus 3. Multiply by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 5 is 15 by 2. 3 by 2 into minus 2 is minus 3. This is R1. This is 3 by 2 R1 this is. R1 dash is R1 minus 3 by 2 R2. This is R1. 3 by 2 R2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 3 by 2 R2 is 0. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is 0. R1 is this one. 3 by 2 R2 is this one. Half minus. R1 is half. Minus 15 by 2. R1 minus 3 by 2 R2 means this is 15 by 2. LCM is 2. 1 minus 15 minus 14 by 2. This is nothing but minus 7. This is minus 7. R1 minus 15 by 2. Next 0 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. 0 R1 minus of minus 3 is plus 3. Write R2 as it is. 0, 1, 5, minus 2. It is of the form. Left hand side is what? I is equal to right hand side A is there. It must be A inverse. I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is. Write the matrix. Minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. This is A. This matrix is A inverse. Next problem, A is 3, 10, 2, 7. 3, 10, 2, 7. First write A is equal to I into E. Writing this step 1 mark. Left hand side replace A by that matrix. 3, 10, 2, 7 is equal to I is 1, 0, 0, 1 into E. Don't replace this A by this matrix. Right hand side I should get A into A inverse, retain A as it is. Next, first I have to make the first element to be 1. To make 1, it is multiplication or division. To make first element to be 1, divide R1 by 3. 3 by 3 becomes 1. Divide to make this element to be 1, divide R1 dash is R1 by 3. Divide R1 by 3 to make 1. 3 by 3 is 1. 10 by 3. 10 by 3. Next, 1 by 3. 0. Divide R1 by 3 to make 1. Write second row as it is. 2, 7, 1, 0, 1. A is equal to I into A. A is this matrix, I is 1's length. To make first element to be 1, divide R1 by 3. Divide each element by 3. I have made first element to be 1. Next I have to make this to be 0. To make this to be 0, make R1 to be 2. After subtraction it becomes 0. Calculate 2R1 in the previous step. Calculate 2R1. If it multiply R1 by 2, it becomes 2. After subtraction, this element to be 0. Multiply R1 by 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 10 by 3 is 20 by 3. Multiply by 2. 2 into 10 by 3 is 20 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. 2 into 0 is 0. This is 2R1. This is R2. Second row, I have to make this two element to be 0. Row operation for R2. To make this element R2 minus 2R1, R2 dash is. This is R2, this is 2R1. R2 dash is R2 minus 2R1. R2 is this one, 2R1 is this one. This minus this becomes 0 in the second row first element. R2 dash is R2 minus 2R1. R2 dash is R2 minus 2R1. This is R2. This is 2R1. This minus this. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. 7 minus 20 by 3. 7 minus 20 by 3. LCM is 3. 3 into 7 is 21 minus 20 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This minus this becomes 1 by 3. This minus this. 7 minus 20 by 3 is 1 by 3. Next, R2, 2R1. This minus this is minus 2 by 3. 0 minus 2 by 3 is minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. I have changed only the R2. I have not touched R1. Write R1 as it is. 1. 10 by 3. 1 by 3. 0. Write R1 as it is. See, I have made 1 here. I have made 0. Next I have to make this element to be 1. To make 1, either multiplication or division. To make 1 this element, multiply R2 by 3. R2 dash is. R2 dash is 3R2. Multiply R2 by 3. It becomes 3 into 1 by 3 becomes 1. To make 1, either multiplication or division. To make 0, either addition or subtraction. multiply R2 by 3. This is R2. 0 by into 3 is 0. 3 into 1 by 3 is 1. This is minus 2. 1 into 3 is 3. Here 3 get cancelled. 1 into 3 is 3. I am not touched R1. Write R1 as it is. Write R1 as it is. I have changed only the R2. Write R1 as it is. Next step, I have to make this to be 0. To make this to be 0, you have to make this element to be 2 by 3. Therefore, R1, this element makes 0 means this is in R1. R1 dash is. R1 dash is R1 minus 10 by 3 R2. To make this element, I have to make this one which is in R2 as 10 by 3. Calculate R1 minus 10 by 3 R2 means this minus becomes 0. Calculate 10 by 3 R3. Calculate 10 by 3 R2. This I have to make this element to be 0 means I have to make R2 element to be 10 by 3. Multiply R2 by 10 by 3. R1 minus 10 by 3. Calculate 10 by 3 R2. 10 by 3 into 0 is 0. 10 by 3 into 1 is 10 by 3. 10 by 3 into 1 is 10 by 3. Next, 10 by 3 into minus 2. Minus 5 by 3. 10 by 3 into minus 2. 10 by 3 into minus 2 is minus 20 by 3. 10 by 3 into minus 2 is minus 20 by 3. 10 by 3 into 3. 10 by 3 into 3, this is nothing but 10. Minus 2 into 10 by 3 is minus 20 by 3. Calculate 10 by 3 R2 not here. You have to calculate here in the previous step. See, 10 by 3 is in R1. Therefore, you have to do row operation for R1. R1 dash is R1 minus 10 by 3 R2, it becomes 0. This is R1, this is 10 by 3 R2. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3 is 0. 10 by 3 R1 minus 10 by 3 R2 0. Next, minus 1 by 3. Sorry, 1 by 3. R1 is 1 by 3. Minus of minus 20 by 3. R1 minus 10 by 3 into R2. R1 minus 10 by 3 R2. This minus this. This is 1 plus 20 by 3. LCM is 3. 21, 7. 20 plus 1, 7. 21, 7. It becomes 7. 1 by 3 minus of minus 20 by 3, 7. Next, 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Write R2 as it is. 0, 1, minus 2, 3. It is of the form. It is of the form. Left hand side is I. Right hand side A is there. It must be A inverse. It is of the form I is equal to A inverse into E. Therefore, A inverse is This is I, this must be A inverse. A inverse is 7 minus 10 minus 2. Therefore, A inverse is matrix 7 minus 10 minus 2, 3. Next problem A is three minus 1 minus 4 2. First write let A is equal to I into A. Let A is equal to I into A. Not let, just it is property. A is equal to I into A. Left hand side A is 3 minus 1 minus 4 2. I is 1001 into A. First you have to make first element 3 to be 1. You have to make first element 3 to be 1. Divide R1 by 3 to make 1. To make 1, divide R1 by 3. R1 dash is R1 by 3. Divide R1 by 3. First row operation is R1 dash is R1 by 3. This is R1, this is R2. Divide by 3. 3 by 3 is 1. Minus 1 by 3. Divide by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Next is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Here again R1 is 1 by 3. 0. See here in the second row we are not dividing by 3. Only dividing R1. Minus 4, 2. Here 0, 1. Sorry. We are dividing only R1 by 3. I have made first element to be 1. Next I have to make this to be 0. To make this to be 0, I have to make the first element to be 4. Therefore, calculate 4R1. Calculate 4R1 in the previous step. Calculate 4R1. Multiply R1 by 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into minus 1 by 3, minus 4 by 3. 4 into 1 by 3, 4 by 3. This is 0. Multiply R1 by 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into minus 1 by 3, minus 4 by 3. 4 by 3, this is 0. To make this one, to make this element to be 0, I have to add R2 and 4R1. Minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. Therefore, R2 dash is R2. See here, this is minus, this is plus. Therefore, you have to add R2 plus 4R1. 4R1 I have calculated here. Add to R2, minus 4 minus become 0. R2 plus 4R2, 4R1 minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. This is 2 minus 4 by 3. LCM is 3. 3 into 6 minus 4. This becomes 2 by 3. This plus minus 4 by 3. This is nothing but 2 by 3. Next, 0 plus 4 by 3 is 4 by 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. We are adding R2 and 4R1. 4R1 is this one, R2 is this one. We are adding these two. Write first row as it is. We have not touched. Write first row as it is. Students, you have any doubt? Students, any doubt? This is important for the point of view of examination, 3 marks question. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸರಿ ಹೌದಾ First I have made 1, next I have made 0, next you have to make this element to be 1. To make 1 either multiplication or division, to make 0 either addition or subtraction. How do you make this element to be 1? Multiply R2 by 3 by 2 or divide by 2 by 3. Multiply R2 by 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 becomes 1. R2 dash is multiply R2 by 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 becomes 1. I have made 1, I have made 0. Next I have to make 1 means multiply R2 by 3 by 2. Multiply R2 by 3 by 2 to make 1 second row element. If you multiply R2 by 3 by 2, 0 into 3 by 2 is 0. 2 by 3 into 3 by 2 becomes 1. Next 4 by 3 into 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled, it becomes 2. 4 by 2 is 2. If you multiply by 3 by 2, it becomes 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2. To make third element to be 1, 1, 0, 1. To make 1, it is division or multiplication. Multiply R2 by 3 by 2, you will get this step. Write first row as it is. 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 0. Write first row as it is. We have not touched R1. Left hand side we have made 1. We have made 0, 1. Next I should make this to be how much? 0. To make this to be 0, I have to make this element to be 1 by 3. Calculate 1 by 3 R1. 1 by 3 R2. I have to make this to be 1 by 3 means this is R2. Calculate 1 by 3 R2. Calculate 1 by 3 R2. Write it here. 0. It becomes 1 by 3. Here it becomes 1 by 3 into 2 is 2 by 3. Multiply R2 by 1 by 3 means 3 get cancelled, it becomes 1 by 2. 1 by 3 R2. R2 here in this case is 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled, it becomes 1 by 2. Now I have to make this element to be 0. R2 plus 1 by, R1 plus 1 by 3 R2. To make this element, it is in R1. You have to do row operation for R1. R1 dash is R1 plus. Here minus is there, if you add plus it becomes 0. 1 by 3 R2. R1 dash is this is R1 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 R2 I have calculated. Row operation R1 dash is R1 plus 1 by 3 R2. This is R1. 1 by 3 R2. 1 plus 0 is 1. This plus this. 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 0. Next, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. LCM is 3. 1 plus 2. 3 by 3. 1. This is 1. Next, 0 plus half is 1 by 2. Write second row as it is. 0, 1, 2, 3 by 2. It is of the form. It is of the form. Left hand side is I, right hand side A is there. It must be A inverse. Because I is equal to A inverse into A. Therefore, A inverse is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 2, 3 by 2. This is the final answer. 3 marks question compulsory. Either this or express a square matrix A as sum of symmetric or skew symmetric. Out of these two, anyone will ask for 3 marks.